Whoa! That's good. Hi everybody, so I have Gonzalez restaurant again today that I'm gonna be eating. I have something different today. It's called Pambazo, I believe. Pambazo. Whoa! Whoa! Now that is a big mama right there. So apparently it has chorizo, potatoes, lettuce, and sour cream. I don't think I've ever had one of these before. Wow. Wow. I don't know about y'all, but I love potatoes. And this like satisfies every craving. Look at how huge. Wow. This right here, it's like glistening. This is good. That might be my new favorite. I was not expecting that. Y'all, I love how I'm just trying new things, you know, as a young adult. I'm just figuring stuff out. I got a large horchata. My hands are covered. Can y'all please tell me what's the orange stuff on the pambazo? Is it dye? Like, what is it? Okay, I hope you enjoyed. I love you so much. Thank you. That's good.